Okay, hi guys. Today in this video, we're going to learn on how to make a scrollbar in a table with Visual Basic for application or VBA with a few simple steps. Okay, let's get it on. Okay, to do it, we're going to have uh, unit a set of data for this exercise. For this video we create a table of 100 data sets consists of number, name, and sales. So we have 100 data. If you have more data than this, it will be good. The idea is to simplify this table from 100 data to a simple uh, table with only uh, 10 rows, 10 or 20 rows. For this video, I'm going to show you with uh, 10 rows, maybe 10 or 15 rows. Okay, the first step is to insert a scroll bar from the developer tab right here, or you can use uh, Alt F11 to we're going to use a developer tab right here and use insert features from controls. We're going to pick scroll bar. Okay, we're going to put it right here. Okay, yes, like I said before, we're going to use 10 or 15 rows but table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, we have 15. Okay, 15 right here. Okay, now suppose it's 15 rows. Okay, now we have 15 rows. Sorry, 15 rows table. Now we're going to put this data to be in this table with the help of this scroll bar. Okay, first we're going to need a reference number. I'm going to put it right here. First we're going to right click and format control. We're going to have this minimum value. We're going to change it to 1 because we have 1 right here, number 1. If you have maybe 200 data, so you have to change it to 200 data for its maximum value. If you have 1000 data, of course you have to change it to 1000 data. But since we have only 100 data, we set this to 100. Incremental change is 1, page change is 10. We leave it as its default. Okay, cell link. We're going to put it right here. Click OK. Now, this this cell will have a value of this scroll bar. Okay, as I scroll down, this number will have increased according to the scroll bar. The maximum value will be 100 right here. The minimum value is 1. Okay, the idea is to use this data from the scroll bar as a reference to display the data right here to this table. We're going to use offset function to help with this. So equal offset. The reference will be using the number column right here. So we're going to copy this formula to other columns. So we have to lock the column with dollar. The rows would be this value. So the rows will be this value. 1, 2, 3, according to this scroll bar value. Because we refer to this cell, we have to lock it with both rows and column. We by pressing we can do it by pressing the F4 button. Columns will be because we have this as reference. We're going to as reference, so we want to display this. So this is the first column. We're going to use 0. We're going to ignore height and width. Okay, enter. Now we have this number. To put the name and sales, we're going to copy and paste right here and change this to 1 because this is the next column. Copy right there for sales and change this to 2. Okay, we're going to put this thousands separator and copy this to end of the table. Now we now have this data that will change as we scroll down. We're going to check number 33, Curtis Hayward, with sales of 5,200,000, etc. Okay, that will be correct. We're going to K51 Mary Phelps 6,000,003. Okay, it's correct. Going to scroll down. Okay, there's no more data beyond 100. So this when we have this, you can just hide this data, and you also want to hide this data. Now we have a simple, neat and beautiful table with a scroll bar. I think that will be all for today. I hope these simple tricks will help you with your task with Excel. Thank you. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye.